Wanyuma yo wabira chairperson wa district ya Kikuube Pitabanura okufera mu rubutando kwezo kwire akakiika k'eby'obururu katandika kwetebekanisa okutora n'oraba kwatira ebendera omu karuru k'okutora n'oraba chairman wa district. Ekibiina kya NRM okurabira omu kakiika karukuru by'okuteera karuru kitandikira okuhandiikaho boona Abarikwenda Entebe bwa chairperson wa district egi okurabira omu NRM kandi omuri bamwe abarigireyo okwehandikisiza baryanyu abazyo harimu murumuna w'omugyenzi owamanywa nka Mbabazi Baneki.
Entrusted to me on behalf of the NRM Electoral Commission, I, Fred Jachan Omach, do hereby declare that Honorable Philip Babazi Bennett has been duly nominated to contest for the position of LC5 chairperson candidate NRM for the position of LC5 in the district of Kikuube. Congratulations, sir.
Ogu omukugamba kwena Tayari West araganise munaza kutandikira hari ebyo eby'omugenzi abire nayenda kukora abantu aba district ya Kikuube.
Twine bintu bingi bitugya kukora. Honorable Peter Banura tugendaho Ruhanga amuhe Kihumure Kirungi akabaine bintu bingi byakwenda kora district ya Kikuube. So tugya kutunura ebintu byabaide atekere mu nkora ne byabaide biro mu plan. Tugya kuikara nka team niambisa team ye ya administration na ya campaign team ye tuikale tu integrating ebintu ebyo nteke mune byange nyiname ebintu nkabina arundi mukaga byenkwenda kukora.
Ogunagira mu district ya Kikuube ekiri district ensya kandi nekiburamu ebintu nyamwingi okuhika handengo za district ezindi.
Kikuube tuina gyombeka. Kikuube eina bintu bingi byetaina. Tukwenda tugibenchmarking na districts zindi. Njya kutandikira una kya lero. Tugia ku benchmarking na districts zindi nka Kampala, Mukono, Ruwero, murumo ebintu bingi bitutaina. Tituina banks by the way Kiswaza no Kiswaza. Tituina nebintu ebiri basic. Omuntu okukagwize Kikuube gira ne elevator. Teina okikega. So I'm hoping before I leave ebintu nkebyo na industries zijja kuba ziri mu Kikuube.
Okurigira hali orukweraho rukore by'obururu mu kibiina kya NRM Fred Omach nashobora obwo kwehandikisa okukorahwe.
Today 7th of May we have started the nomination for candidates who would like to contest in the primaries for the LC5 elections in Kikuube district. And so far this morning, 2 have appeared. One has been duly nominated, and the second one is still to come back. There are some issues with some of the documents. And today we will close the nominations at 5 p.m. Then tomorrow, 8th of May, we will start the nomination again at 9 o'clock up to 5 p.m. when we will close completely.
Okugarukamu akaruru nikijeho bwanyuma ya Pitabanura owa NRM kandi owabira asengera akaruru okufa omu kwezi okwakana obu yatumirwa motoka ati akafeeraho. Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano aha bwa Tayari West.